Day 89. Seed the sounds of love. Daily affirmation. I foster the divine experience not defined by words. Hello, strength. Listen to your surroundings and find the sounds of joy. Hear the sounds of love filling the world from the earth's heart. When you experience this, seed those sounds with your loving action. As Rumi wrote, "Whatever I was looking for was always you." Every search begins and ends within, in the full presence of all the light of your essence. Everywhere you look, you are surrounded by the embrace of the divine. Plant whatever seeds remind you of this truth. Seed them in the hearts of your friends, in the minds of strangers, and in the embrace of your loved ones. There is no greater miracle than to hear beyond the ears and to love with all your heart, radiating outward from Source, expanding creation's power with each incredibly fortuitous breath of life. Allow for the grandest expression of light to bring forward all the seedlings necessary for rebirth of our creative infrastructure for peace. Open the floodgates for all to come forward in light, enabling these little ones to experience safety, our ideas, our loving thoughts. Source works with them through Earth's magic and miracles. Offering unconditional love roots growth and springs forward eventually in divine flowering when the time is right. Living in the oneness of the cycles and the flow of nature works powerful magnificence. Love waits beyond the fear. Extend the creationism of birth to shine as brightly as possible in all forms as the absence of self and the wholeness of what will be. What has been is undone, and what will be has begun. The mantra for strength is the Ram seed sound, Rum. Take a deep breath extending from the center navel chakra and the body's power center, Rum. Exhale. Begin to say Rum as your Ram seed sound. Keep breathing, saying Rum from your power center until you feel strength. Use your tone and breath to ease into your power center and achieve the mantra's intention full of total harmony. Rise with each breath. Rum, Rum, Rum. Light, Rum. Power, Rum. Feel it as the world joins your call in this seed sound of love. Using this Ram energy, Sanskrit, we seed the sounds and reconnect, igniting our vibrational core. Mantras are spoken expressions of energy, vibrating with healing, inviting more and more into our consciousness. Thomas Ashley Farrand's work focused on this ancient technology and language. He shared mantra practice meditation with the West. In his book, The Ancient Power of Sanskrit Mantra and Ceremony, Volume 1, he shares his insights on Om Namah Shivaya. While this mantra has no direct translation, the sounds relate directly to the principles which govern each of the first 5 chakras on the spine: earth, water, fire, air, ether. Notice this does not refer to the chakras themselves, which have a different set of seed sounds, but rather the principles which govern those chakras in their place. A very rough, non-literal translation could be something like Om and salutations to that which I am capable of becoming. This mantra will start one out on the path of subtle development of spiritual attainments. It is the beginning on the path of Siddha Yoga, or the yoga of perfection of the divine vehicle. Mantras are spiritual formulas for working with universal energies expressed through you. They are designed to eliminate obstacles as we progress spiritually. May Spirit unfold beautifully in our lives. May we seed the sounds of love, creating power and connection and happiness as we go.